In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page on Kit. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Kit account, step by step. So by the end, you'll have a fully functional landing page and a shareable link you can start using right away. First, once you're logged into Kit, look for the main navigation at the top of your dashboard. Find the section labeled Grow and hover over or click on it. From the drop-down, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the central place where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages are created and managed. On this page, you'll see any existing forms or landing pages you've already made. To start a brand new one, look for the Create New button, usually near the top right of the screen, and click it. Kit will then ask what kind of asset you want to create. Go ahead and select Landing Page. This tells Kit that you're building a standalone page, not just an embedded form. Next, you'll be taken to the template gallery. Here, you'll see a variety of designs, each optimized for different goals, like promoting a newsletter, offering a free download, or showcasing a product. Take a moment to scroll through and choose a template that best matches your objective and the style you're going for. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away. You can customize the content and visuals later. Once you pick a template, it will open in the editor. Now you can start personalizing it. Click directly into any text block to change headlines, body copy, or button text. Try to keep your main message clear and benefit-focused so visitors immediately understand what they're getting. You can also click on any image to replace it with your own graphics or photos that better represent your brand. If you need more than what's already on the page, look for the small plus icon that appears between sections. Clicking this lets you add new elements like videos, products, or countdown timers. Use these strategically. A short video can help build trust, a product block can highlight what you're selling, and a countdown can create urgency for limited time offers. When the layout and content feel right, go to the top right corner of the editor and click on Settings. Here, you'll configure what happens after someone submits the form on your landing page. You can set a custom success message, such as a friendly thank you note, or choose to redirect people to another URL, like a thank you page or a download page. Pick the option that best supports your funnel. Finally, once everything looks good, click Save to make sure your changes are stored. After that, click Publish. Kit will generate a unique link for your landing page. You can copy this link and share it in emails, on social media, or anywhere else you want to drive traffic. And that's it. You've just built and published a landing page on Kit, ready to start capturing leads and growing your audience.